everyone, my name is Nimisha Bhatt and welcome back to my channel The Cooking Hub. So today I have a very nice recipe to share with you guys, and it's called veg starter tikkis. It's a very nice recipe. It's easy, it's very simple, it doesn't take so long to make it, and it's very healthy. All the ingredients that I'm using, that can be found at your house. You don't have to go out looking for them. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and let's start. So here I have 6 slices of bread. I'm using white bread, but you can also use brown bread. So one by one I'm going to dip them in water and squeeze it a bit and keep it in this bowl. Remember, I have not removed the sides, just with the sides. One by one, slightly in water on both sides, and then squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, keep it in this bowl. So one by one I'll do this to all the breads. So hereby I have taken the bread. Next I'm going to add in some ingredients one by one, then we are going to combine it. So I'm adding in 1 roughly chopped onion. I'm adding in 1 green chili chopped. I'm adding in some ginger. Next I'm adding in 1 chopped tomato. I love onion, tomatoes and capsicum, my favorite. Add it in. I took 1 medium sized capsicum and chopped it. Next I'm adding in some freshly chopped coriander leaves for that lovely and wonderful flavor with its nutrition benefits as well. There we go. Next I'm adding in some chili sauce. And some tomato ketchup. So I've washed my hands, and with clean hands I'm going to mix all these ingredients well. Combine it slowly. Now for binding, hereby I'm using atta, that is whole wheat flour, and rice flour. So rice flour I'm using 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 3 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. Just 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to mix it slowly. Just slowly till it combines. It will combine well. In case if needed, you can add some more atta or whole wheat flour. So I've mixed in everything very well, and I'm going to season it with some salt and some black pepper as per taste. So some salt. Remember to add salt at the last point. And some black pepper. There. Now mixing it gently. See, it has combined in so well. Now we are going to make cutlets out of this. So you can make cutlets of any choice, cutlets or tikkis, same thing. You can make roundels, you can make like kebabs, you can make them cylindrical, any shape of your choice. So I've washed my hands, and now I'm going to grease my palms with some oil so that it doesn't stick, just a little bit there. So now I'm going to take some small portion like this. I'm going to form it like a tikki. As I said, you can make as per your own shape. I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to make the rest tikkis same way. So these beautiful starter tikkis are ready to be fried. I've prepared them, and with this recipe you can make approximately 17 tikkis. In case you're facing any trouble while making the tikkis, you feel like it's not binding, you can add some atta, or you can add some maida flour, all-purpose flour, or you can add some rice flour, or even you can add breadcrumbs. Now we are going to shallow fry this recipe, so I'm going to keep the oil for heating on medium flame. So I'm going to start shallow frying it. The oil at this stage is medium hot, not very hot, not so cold. I'll start dropping them slowly. So on medium to high flame, I'm going to toss and turn these tikkis until golden brown. I'm going to fry them. Just turn them slowly and fry them. So some of the tikkis are ready, so I'll take them out on a paper towel. The rest I'm going to turn them and cook them for a bit. Just till this color, light golden brown. Don't worry about the onions and the capsicums that are coming out in the oil. We'll use them later for garnishing. So I've placed all my starter tikkis inside, and I'm frying them, and yeah, I'm having a nice time making this recipe, showing it to you guys. It's lovely. It's going to be very tasty. You can serve it with green chutney, imli ki chutney. You can serve it with ketchup, chili sauce. And these two are almost ready. Yeah, ready. Taking it out. So all our starter tikkis are ready, and we are almost ready to serve it in a nice platter. So yeah, let's serve. How yummy does this look?